So we're going to talk about what you're going to do. So for the do you see what I see, the first thing you're going to do is figure out the coordinates for the tree graph. So here's the do you see what I see and the coordinates that you have to do. In order to get credit for the project, not only do I have to see the tree graph, you need to answer these questions on this page, and I'm going to have to see that. You're going to need to use your TI 84 Plus online and show it to me, but you're actually going to show me your tree and how you can manipulate it. You probably won't get there today. You're going to need to be able to turn it on, clear it, and you will be graphing it. In your package, there are complete instructions, step by step, on how you're going to do it. So you're going to have to get very good at reading instructions and being able to follow them step by step. I do not expect you to have to do this by yourself, though I do not expect you to be loud, obnoxious, and boisterous in class either. If you are reading step by step, you'll see it shows you how to enter items in a list. But if you have not started by figuring out exactly what points you're entering, it won't work. If you go, for instance, to the list, you're going to clear. If you go to list, you can see list is in blue. So you do second list, and you're going to go ahead. Where are we? Your list is here. You hit enter. That says list. You're actually going to enter your list. You're actually going to enter your list by hitting the stat key and then hit edit. You see that L1 is here. L1 is your X. L2 is your Y. You're going to need to put your lists in. I'm just giving you some clues. You're going to have to turn on the graphing function for lists. That's called a stat plot. So you're going to hit second. Go ahead and hit quit. You're going to hit second stat plot. Notice that they're all off. You're going to have to turn the first one on in order to tell it, I'm going to graph. You're going to go down. You don't want a scatter plot. That's what those dots are. You're going to want a line plot. Notice it says X list because it wants to know that your X's are in list 1 and your Y's are in list 2. You're probably going to want your mark to be the little dot so it doesn't look strange where your tree makes a turn. Then you're going to enter, and then you can go right back to second mode, which is, if you look at your calculator, is quit. Then you're going to have a clear screen again. You can go to stat, edit, which will be your list again, and you can start entering. You'll be ready to go. Questions? You're going to have to go through your instructions very carefully. It's do you see what I see, and it's on your schedule. Any other questions? Have fun!